A leak at the main shutoff valve deserves faster attention than an ordinary dripping faucet. If that valve fails completely, you may not be able to stop the water from entering your house. Dry the valve and identify the first place water appears. Moisture around the handle or valve stem often comes from the packing seal. A slow seep there may sometimes stop after the packing nut. The small nut directly behind the handle is tightened only slightly. Use one wrench to stabilize the valve body and another to move the nut no more than about 1/8 of a turn. Over-tightening can make the valve difficult to operate or damage the seal. Water appearing at a threaded or soldered pipe connection is a different problem. Tightening the handle or packing nut will not repair it. That joint may require resealing, resoldering, or valve replacement. If water is emerging through a crack, heavy corrosion, or the valve body itself, stop touching the valve. The metal may be too weak to operate safely. Here is the critical distinction. Closing the leaking valve may not stop the leak if the failed area is on its incoming side. Water from the street remains pressurized up to that point. Replacing the main shutoff normally requires the supply to be stopped at the utility valve or another upstream control. Place a container beneath a minor drip and contact a licensed plumber before it becomes an active spray. If the leak is rapidly spreading, contact your water utility's emergency service and protect nearby electrical equipment without standing in water. Don't repeatedly open and close an old leaking gate valve to test it. That can disturb a deteriorated seal. Comment where the water begins, around the handle, at a pipe connection, or through the valve body.